Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip south on Interstate 95, beginning in York, Maine at mile 11, meaning we're 11 miles to the state line, so this will be the last video in the state of Maine. We passed through the York Main Line toll plaza for the second time on our trip, and the toll is $4. This will be the last toll in Maine, and so far on I-95 South, we've spent $8 in tolls. For the entire trip, we've spent $15.75 so far. We enter the town of Kittery, the oldest incorporated town in Maine, established in 1647. Kittery is also the southernmost town in Maine and is home to the Portsmouth Naval Shipyard, located on Seavies Island. The town also includes Badger's Island, the coastal area of Kittery Point, and part of the Isles of Shoals. Kittery is a popular tourist spot, well known for its numerous outlet stores. After 303 miles in the state of Maine, we cross the Piscataqua River Bridge back into the state of New Hampshire. At just over 16 miles, New Hampshire has the shortest stretch of Interstate 95 compared to any other state it passes through. We're now in the city of Portsmouth, with a population of 21,956 as of the 2020 census. Portsmouth is a historic seaport and a popular summer tourist destination overlooking the Piscataqua River, bordering the state of Maine. It was once home to the Strategic Air Command's Pease Air Force Base, which has since been converted into Portsmouth International Airport at Pease, located within the larger Pease International Trade Port. I-95 is also called the Blue Star Turnpike through New Hampshire. The Blue Star Turnpike dates back to 1950 and became part of I-95 in 1957. At Exit 5, we see a junction with US Highway 4. US 1 runs close by, just to the east, as well as a US 1 bypass, each of which takes a different path across the Piscataqua River. We enter the town of Greenland, which has a population of 4,067 as of the 2020 census. One of New Hampshire's earliest settlements, Greenland began as a parish of Portsmouth, then known as Strawberry Bank, in 1638. Originally intended to be named Canary, the area became known as Greenland, named after a local farm. We enter the town of Northampton with a population of 4,538 as of the 2020 census. First settled in 1639, the town was originally part of Hampton and known as North Hill or North Parish. Residents began seeking independence from Hampton as early as 1719, but township status wasn't granted until 1742 by colonial governor Benning Wentworth, following New Hampshire's separation from Massachusetts. In the 19th century, Little Boar's Head, a seaside area, became a popular summer resort. It features elegant examples of late Victorian and Edwardian architecture, reflecting its history as a retreat for the wealthy. In 1706, residents of Greenland requested and were granted the right to form a separate parish. Around 1710, Captain Samuel Weeks built a sturdy brick house that still stands today, making it the oldest brick house in New Hampshire. Remarkably, the house survived the 1755 Cape Ann earthquake, with only minor cracks in its 18-inch thick beams. The Weeks house is now marked by New Hampshire Historical Marker number 113 along Route 33. Greenland officially became an incorporated town in 1721. We conclude today's video at mile 5 in New Hampshire. Thanks for watching. We'd like to give special thanks to our Backseat channel members Harry Mickelson, J.H., Jeremy W.C., John Edinger, Kathy Mason, and Melissa Coppinger from North Dakota. You can help support our channel for as little as $1 a month and get early access to our regular videos. Or it doesn't cost you anything at all to give us a thumbs up, share on social media, subscribe, leave a comment below, and join us for our next 504 road trip.